Hello children, how are you all? Hope everyone is fine. Am I right children? Yeah, I know you are all very good children. Yeah. So, before going to our session, what I am going to ask? So, directly what I will ask? What about ya? What about ya? Yesterday's homework and also our yesterday's topic. So what we are going to read? So I think still we are in first lesson children. Am I right? Still we are in first lesson. Or we are in second lesson? I think we are in second lesson. Tell me children, we are in first lesson or second lesson? Yeah, we are in second lesson. So yesterday what I said you to do? Yesterday and day before yesterday also I said you to do some experiments. So I said you to do some experiments. So how many of you have done? So it is very easy experiments and you can do in your home also. So I said you to do, no. So we have to take the turmeric powder, water and make it as a paste. Apply it to the white paper and draw the flower, dry a flower or whatever you wish. So dry it and color it with the help of soap water. So that what you can observe. So what the change will occur. So which change will comes? Which change will come children? So the color, it will change into red color. It will change into the color of the paper, what you have drawn, and with the help of soap water you have colored it, right? So it will turn into a red flower. So how many of you have done? I think very few of you. Everyone should do this children. I said you already. Okay. So coming to our session. So what is our lesson? What is our lesson name first of all? So our lesson name is acids and bases. So what is our lesson name? Acids and bases. So yesterday I said no, what is the acid? What is the base? Just we'll recall of yesterday's lesson. So yesterday's topic recall. So what you have read? Wow, what is the acid? So if H plus ions are more, so that is called as a acid, and OH minus ions are present means that is a base. And also what we have read, if it is an acid means what? If you are getting a burning sensation, if you are feeling it like a burning sensation, then it is like a acidic nature. And also if it is a soapy nature, so for example if it is a we'll clean this board or else we'll clean the glasses, so with the help of what, like a soapy nature it will be. And also soap water. So these are all comes under a basic natures. So neutral also yesterday we have read. So both the acidic and the basic nature, if it is having means then it is a neutrals. So what are the synthetic indicators? What are the natural indicators? If it is a natural indicators means turmeric and if it is a natural indicator means turmeric and beetroot and hibiscus, the flower which is having the flower petals will be hanging now. So if you are using that is also a natural indicator. And if it is a synthetic indicator means yesterday we discussed what we discussed. So for example, if you are doing a kesari bath, then we will use an artificial color, right? So which we are using the artificial colors, they are also called as a synthetic indicators. Yeah. So after that what we discussed, so we have to use the red litmus and the blue litmus papers. So when you are using the red litmus, if it is turning into blue, then it is a acidic nature. So when the blue is turning into the red litmus, then it is having the basic nature. So I have given some listed out some names. So orange, like a fruits, vegetables which are present in your house. So solutions which are present like a vinegar or a soap water or a lime water, whatever it is. So I said you to use that. And see how the color will change, either it is a red to blue or blue to red, or there is a no change. I said you to write the percentages, not the percentages. Out of 5, how much marks you will give to the. If it is fully changing means you will give 5. If it is normally changing means you will give it as a 3 or 2. So I said you to do. I think very few of you have done this homework. So because you are staying in home, these are all not available with you. So I will agree with you. So, and also what I said, so like a juggler, like a magician, so how they will do the magics. So in the same way we can also do. In the tomorrow session I will tell. I said you no. So what is that magic, ma'am? So we are all eagerly waiting to listen that magic. What is that? So I will tell. Lemon is there in your house, no? So take a lemon and afterwards what you have to do? The methyl orange color will be there. So the methyl orange color will be there. So what you have to do? Apply the methyl orange color to the knife. So knife will be there in your houses. So apply methyl orange color to the knife, and afterwards cut the lemon with the help of the knife. Which knife? So not normal knife, which you applied. The methyl orange color is there, no? So after that, if you are after applying that, if you are cutting means, then what do you observe? What you will observe, children? So generally what you will observe? I think you have seen the magicians and the jugglers, and also if it is in your villages, something they will do, no, pujas, what they will call mantralu, chetabadi, like that they will do, no. So at that time also what they will do, you know, so they will add that methyl orange color to the knife, and afterwards they will cut the lemon. Then what we can see, do you know, blade, like blade, it will come like a red color. If you are cutting this lemon means it will be in a red color. The out of the lemon, what will come? The red color will come. So we'll all be afraid of that, like, how the blood is coming from the lemon. So this is the secret, this is the magic they will do, the magicians and the jugglers. And also in our villages, not only villages, we should not say that villages also, in normally also, normal people also, in our places also they used to do that. So chetabadi like that. So this is the secret around the which magic. So if you are cutting the lemon, the blood will come out, no? So what is the magic around this? Now you know how to do. So after that, just do like a magic. So don't make your friends or your brothers and sisters afraid of that. Just show them, and afterwards tell them how it is. So they will also come to learn how it is. Okay, children? So this is the magic. And also, up to yesterday we have done this all with the help of the solution. If after taking that, what will happen? That we read yesterday. So in today's session, the same experiment, the same objects we have to take, and after that, what we have to do? The same which is there yesterday's table. In the same way you have to do, but you have to change the like solutions. You have to change. So what you have to change in the solutions? You have to take phenolphthalein. So we have to take phenolphthalein. So we have to take the phenolphthalein solution. So we have to take phenolphthalein solution, and afterwards what you have to take? This is colorless phenolphthalein you have to take, and after that methyl orange. I said no. So methyl orange you have to take, and after that what you have to do? Yesterday what the substances you have taken? Orange, vinegar, So lime water, soap water, tomatoes. So like that yesterday we had taken some elements, right? So not only, no need to repeat the same, we can take the different substances also and we can do the experiments. So what you have to do, just observe the changes after applying this to these substances. What the changes will come, either the color changes will come or not. Either it is changing to the red litmus to the blue or blue litmus to the red, or there is no change, it is in a neutral way. So that you have to check in this. So this is one of the activities. So yesterday what you have done, to that continuation you can do. Okay, take these solutions, take a small amount of this. So take a small amount of these substances in 2 test tubes. So take it in 2 test tubes and add only few drops of phenolphthalein and few drops of methyl orange. Okay, in the test tube, take some, what is the substances you have taken, take some, and after add some phenolphthalein, colorless phenolphthalein solution and the methyl orange solutions. So after that, what do you observe? That you have to do like a experiment. So I think phenolphthalein solution will not be available with you. So methyl orange will be available with you. So that with the help of that you can do and you can observe the changes, what the changes will occur. Okay, so this is one of the experiments. So up to now what I have done, so we have taken the turmeric paper and afterwards we have done some experiments with the help of the same turmeric paper. And after what I have done, what is the acidic nature, if the ant is biting us, then we will get some like a burning sensation you will feel. So that is the acidic nature. And the soapy structure is there, means it is the basic nature. And afterwards yesterday what we did, we did one experiment. So magnesium ribbon will be there, no? So that you have to burn with the help of the candle. So after that the ash will come out, no? So what the ash will come out, that you have to keep it in a that you have to keep it in the water, and afterwards what will happen, you have to sing. Okay, so this is the experiment you have done and the continuation. Today I have done one experiment. Okay, and you had also learned a magic. Children, don't think that if I am coughing means all coughs are not similar to the corona. Just now I ate some oil food, so that's the reason I am coughing. So this is not similar to corona because I am staying in home, I am safe, I am not even going out from the house. So don't be afraid of me, I am safe. So you are also, I think everyone is safe in your houses. So next, so continuation of this. So children, do you know one thing? If you are seeing some vessels, so like a copper vessels or a brass vessels, so inside the coating will be there. Why that coating will be there? Do you know? So if the coating is not there, then what you are cooking, so if for example if you are cooking a rice or something, a curry, whatever, if you are cooking a different like upmas, if you are cooking in this, so after some time, not after few hours, if you are seeing means, then we can see like a blue or a green color. It will change the color because the acidic nature will be present in that, so that it will change the color. That's why after, if you are cooking in that brass or copper vessels, immediately you have to transfer it to the other bowl. Don't keep it in the same bowl. Okay children, so if you don't know this, or if your parents don't know this, just tell them. So afterwards the color will be changes, it is like a blue or a green color. So don't keep it in the same vessel, change it, transfer into the other vessel. Just tell them. So copper vessels and the copper coated vessels and the brass coated vessels, everyone know very well, right? And one more experiment what you have to do. So what you have to do? Natural acid. What is the natural acid? Lemon juice. Okay. So what you have to do? Take this lemon juice in 6 test tubes. How many test tubes? 6 test tubes. Take it in 6 test tubes. And afterwards what you have to do? Add. What are the elements you have to add? So copper, and the other one is zinc, magnesium. So copper, zinc, magnesium, iron, brass, aluminium pieces. So take some aluminium pieces and add to the test tube. So what you have to take in the 6 test tubes? What you have to take, children? Take some lemon juice. In the 6 test tubes you have to take some lemon juice. And what you have to add? You have to add copper in 1 test tube, and zinc in 1 test tube, magnesium in 1 test tube, and the iron, brass, and some aluminium pieces. So afterwards what you have to do? What you have to do, children? So everything you have taken in the test tubes, and the lemon juice also we have taken in the test tube. In all the test tubes, lemon juice is common, but each one test tube should contain this 6. Okay. So afterwards, what you have to do, light a matchstick. Matchstick will be there, light matchstick. So lit the matchstick under the test tubes. So what you will observe? Is it will catches the fire or not? So what you will observe? So from this experiment, what you will observe? That you have to observe, and this is your homework. So I think this everyone can't do this. It will not be available with so today's homework is so up to now what you learned. What is the acidic nature? What is the basic nature? And what are the some experiments I have done like turmeric test 1 we did, and with the help of same turmeric we have taken some elements and we have tested that one, and red litmus to blue litmus, that you have to write in your homework. Okay, children. So this what you will observe. So today think what you will observe after lighting that. What you will observe, what the changes will occur. Just think. In the tomorrow session I will tell what the change it will be. And also do you know, children, nowadays in the fertility field, in the farmers are there, so before they used to do organic manures. So but nowadays they are using chemical more, so everyone, if you are buying outside fruits or vegetables, you should wash with the help of salt water, because they'll use so many fertilizers, chemicals which are there in that. So everyone, you have to wash it with the help of salt water. So before days they used to use cow dung and the ash of neem leaves. So they used to use that manures for the crops. But nowadays they are using more chemicals and fertilizers for the production of crops. So and this is also causes the changes in the soil. So the soil which is there, it is also becoming dirty because of these chemicals. But some of the people they are still now also they are using organic manures. So organic manures means what? Cow dung, so ash of neem leaves, like that they are using as a fertilizers. So in your houses also, if you are any trees are there, means don't use the fertilizers, just use the which is there in your houses. So after, when you are cooking for the rice, you will wash the rice, you will drain the water. So keep that water and throw that water to the, so keep that water and pour that water in the plants, then it will grow very well. When compared to the normal water, if you are using this, or what you are using, the waste materials, the onion peel, after peeling the onions, we have to keep that, and if we are keeping it in the water, and if we are pouring that water to the plants, then it will grow very well when compared to the normal water. So like this, if you are doing some tricks, then it will grow very well when compared to the chemicals. So up to here we have learned in this session. In tomorrow's session we will learn what is acid rains and about the others, the preparation of carbon dioxide, or how we treat for the carbon dioxide, the test we will do for the carbon dioxide. So this is the end of this session, everyone. Hope thank you for watching my video. I hope you understood my lesson. So stay home, stay safe.